मैं तुम्हारा बहुत शुक्रगुजार होऊंगा।
I will be very thankful to you. I will be very thankful to you.
मैं इस बारे में सोचकर बताऊंगा।
I will let you know after giving it a thought. I will let you know after giving it a thought.
मैं घर पर खाली बैठकर बोर हो जाऊंगा।
I will get bored by sitting idle at home.
उसे कल हॉस्पिटल जाना होगा।
She will have to go to the hospital tomorrow.
ट्यूशन से आकर बच्चे सो जाएंगे।
The kids will sleep after coming from tuition.
वो किसी भी समय पहुंचता होगा।
He will be reaching here any minute. He will be reaching here any minute.
हम अगले महीने नए घर में शिफ्ट होंगे।
We will shift to a new house next month.
अगर मैंने अच्छे से काम नहीं किया तो मेरी जगह किसी और को लगा दिया जाएगा।
If I don't perform well, I will get replaced by someone else.
तुम ठीक हो जाओगे।
You will be fine. You will be fine.
हम मैच जीत जाएंगे।
We will win the match. We will win the match.
मैं तुम्हारी कॉल का इंतजार करूंगा।
I will wait for your call. I will wait for your call.
इस बोतल से पानी लीक नहीं करेगा।
This bottle will not leak. This bottle will not leak.
वो अपना लोन नहीं चुका पाएगा।
He won't be able to repay his loan. He won't be able to repay his loan.
मैं नहीं आ पाऊंगा।
I won't be able to come. I won't be able to come.
वो तुम्हें चौका नहीं देगा।
वह तुम्हें
धोखा नहीं देगा।
He will not ditch you. He will not ditch you.
अगर मैंने आज केबल रिचार्ज नहीं किया तो कल से चैनल नहीं चलेगा।
If I don't recharge my cable today, then the channels will not work from tomorrow.
ये मिक्सर मेरे काम नहीं आएगा।
This mixer will not be useful to me. This mixer will not be useful to me.
मैं कभी किसी पर भरोसा नहीं करूँगा।
I will never trust anybody. I will never trust anybody.
मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं होगा।
I will not have that much time. I will not have that much time.
मैं ऐसा बर्ताव कभी बर्दाश्त नहीं करूँगा।
I will never tolerate this behavior. I will never tolerate this behavior.
तुम्हें कुछ नहीं होगा।
Nothing will happen to you. Nothing will happen to you.
ऐसा चलता रहा तो तुम कभी एग्जाम में पास नहीं होगे।
If this goes on, you will never pass in your exam. If this goes on, you will never pass in your exam.
मैं उतने पैसे नहीं जुटा पाऊंगा।
I will not be able to arrange that much money. I will not be able to arrange that much money.
अगर मेरे हाथ में होता तो मैं किसी को प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं बनने दूंगा।
If it were in my hands, I will not let anyone become the prime minister.
मुझे मेरे माँ बाप कभी ट्रिप पर जाने की इजाज़त नहीं देंगे।
My parents will never allow me to go on a trip.
मैं दोबारा कभी उस रेस्टोरेंट नहीं जाऊंगा।
I will never go to that restaurant again.
क्या तुम अगले महीने लंदन जाओगे?
Will you go to London next month?
बैंक अकाउंट खुलवाने के लिए कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए होंगे?
Which all documents will be required for opening a bank account?
तुम वहां जाकर क्या करोगे?
What will you do after going there? What will you do after going there?
तुम 12वीं के बाद क्या करोगे?
What will you after 12th? What will you after 12th?
तुम अपना खर्चा कैसे चलाओगे?
How will you manage your expenses? How will you manage your expenses?
तुम अपनी पहली सैलरी का क्या करोगे?
What will you do with your first salary? What will you do with your first salary?
तुम अपनी एनिवर्सरी पर क्या करोगे?
What will you do on your anniversary? What will you do on your anniversary?
तुम डिनर में क्या खाना पसंद करोगे?
What will you like to have for dinner? What will you like to have for dinner?
खाने में अभी और कितना समय लगेगा?
How long will it take for dinner? How long will it take for dinner?
क्या तुम उसे बदला लोगे?
Will you take revenge from him? Will you take revenge from him?
तुम एग्जाम की तैयारी कब करोगे?
When will you prepare for exam? When will you prepare for exam?
क्या तुम आज मेरे लिए चाय बना दोगे?
Will you make tea for me today? Will you make tea for me today?
क्या तुम नाश्ते में सैंडविच खाओगे?
Will you have sandwich in breakfast? Will you have sandwich in breakfast?
क्या तुम दिवाली पर अपने घर जाओगे?
Will you go home on Diwali? Will you go home on Diwali?
क्या तुम मेरे साथ कॉफी पियोगे?
Will you have coffee with me? Will you have coffee with me?
क्या ये शर्ट इस जीन्स के साथ सही लगेगी?
Will this shirt look fine with this jeans? Will this shirt look fine with this jeans?
तुम्हें स्टेशन पर कौन छोड़ने आएगा?
Who will come to drop you to the station? Who will come to drop you to the station?
क्या तुम अकेले चले जाओगे?
Will you manage to go by yourself? Will you manage to go by yourself?
क्या तुम टाइम पर पहुंच जाओगे?
Will you reach on time? Will you reach on time?
क्या तुम चुप करोगे?
Will you shut up? Will you shut up?
क्या तुम्हें लेने कोई एयरपोर्ट पर आएगा?
Will anybody come at the airport to pick you up? Will anybody come at the airport to pick you up?
क्या तुम घर जाने के लिए ऑटो लोगे?
Will you take an auto rickshaw to go home? Will you take an auto rickshaw to go home?